The sun is fully up in there already, and this is what I ate last night. It's instant noodles, my tent. And can you imagine this bike can carry all those stuff? Okay, so we are again ready, and my bike is organized. Okay, we go. Oh, to be honest, I did not have a good sleep last night. Yeah, I feel like I was trying to figure out how to sleep the whole night last night. Yeah, because it was very cold, not in the body but my feet. I have just my socks and it's not enough. Should be more thick or a thermal one. I need to go first to the town center of this Stockton. We're going to buy a coffee, a cup of coffee, cappuccino maybe. Yeah, this is their, I don't know if this is large, but yeah, when I sip it, the taste is just amazing. But I'm going to transfer it here so that the heat will last longer. I'm expecting myself to be in Nelson Bay by 1 o'clock. Got time and nothing to lose. Yeah, we are now here in the Stockton Bridge. Okay, that's it for this bridge. There's nothing much in here, just that fishing area. In these wetlands, you're going to see different birds. If you come closer, yeah, you're going to see different kinds of birds that are flying around in here, nesting around in here. It says in here, look at this. They have these kinds. Yeah. You don't see them usually when you are in the usual place, but if you come here, you see them here. Okay, we are still in the bridge, Stockton Bridge. Okay, we go. Yeah, we are going in this cappuccino. We're going to buy another coffee. Yeah, because the one that I have is now running low. Okay, you know, the lady inside is very friendly. You know, you're like you'll be feeling shy. I feel that way. You know, from time to time there are people who is stopping in there to buy just coffee. Yeah, inside is actually like a small restaurant with the little groceries and something to eat, like fried foods. We are now here in the Fullerton area, and that is the highway. We are not going to take that because we've been there yesterday, and it's just a pure highway. And there's nothing much to see. And we're going to go to that side because that side is going to be a residential area where you're going to see farm, you're going to see animals. And in here there's one gated community. This is like a private subdivision. The name is The Cove. Exclusive lifestyle for over 55 years old. It is going to be a long drive, and most of the scenery that we're going to see is similar to this. There will be some animals. Amazing. Houses here are on the distance. I mean, your next neighbor will be maybe a kilometer away. That's the end of this road. We are now heading back to the main road again, in the highway, near to the McDonald's, near to the airport. Yo, we are now in the Ana Bay petrol station. It's called the Caltex. Yeah, I was actually running very quick, very fast because I need to go to the toilet. I almost lost it already on the highway. Yeah, but I controlled it several times, and finally I reached this this like shop, and they have a toilet. Nice. So I'm feeling good now. We're just going to have a look in Berobi Beach. Berobi is where you're going to see the camel and the surfing place here in Port Stephen area. And there is restaurant downstairs, and if you can see that, those are camels. And we are actually coming from that side. I don't know, you don't see it, but those buildings, those is the Newcastle. And I drive coming from there to reach this place 4 hours. That is relaxed driving. Oh look, there's one good bike in here, a carriage bike. In between vlogs, I was just listening to the music and singing along. You can see this earphone. Yeah, it's a bone conduction earphone, whereas I can hear the environment and the music at the same time. So it's a safe earphone. And you maybe notice that you don't see any car when I'm filming. That is because I choose to film when there's no car, for their safety, for everyone's safety. It is now 2:32, and I already had my meal. I actually cooked the rice and cooked this. Yeah, and yeah, some of my stuff are still there, but I'm already washing my clothes that I wear from the bucket packing. Washing now, and have my tent outside. It is drying, and I also transferred all the footages to my computer. What time is it going to finish? In 9 minutes it's going to finish the laundry, and I am feeling really sleepy. I will just put the clothes outside to dry, and maybe going to sleep. Yeah, I'm going to sleep. We'll see you later or tomorrow.